show you how you can recover your Gmail account without password, without verification code, and even without phone number. So first off, before we continue, you might want to subscribe to my channel. It helps with the algorithm. Now let's delve in. So first thing you're going to do is to find the Google app on your phone. You can easily search for Google app on your phone, or you go to your apps, then you find it. Just hold on to it like that, and then you tap on the app information, which is this tiny button you see over here. So when you tap on it, then you click on the permission section. Then you would want to find location, time. So what I'm going to do, you're going to tap on don't allow. All right, this is the first thing you do. Tap don't allow. So once you've done this, you can just minimize, then you look for Google Chrome. You can also search Chrome, or you go to your apps and find Google Chrome. Do the same thing, just go to the app information, then tap on it. See permission, tap on permission, then you go to location, then you tap on don't allow, and don't allow anyway. All right, or you can just go back. All right, and you would see default. So on the browser app section of defaults, just tap on it. What we want to do is we want to remove Chrome as being the default browser. Okay, so we can't really clear it from here. So what we're going to do is to change it to Samsung Internet. Right, it is no longer the default browser app. And to make sure that this takes effect, you can just come over to storage and clear. Look at this deny access, but you can just clear data. Right, clear this data. So once that is done, you're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is that we'll go to our Play Store application. You can just open your Play Store application. All right, so you would search for browser and install this application. Just open it. Then you would want to search google.com. all right, and just search. You would see a page that shows up like this. Just tap on sign in. Right, so here you're going to put in the Gmail account you want to get back. Just click on next once you've done that. Now, since you don't know your password, what you're going to do is just click on forgot password. Now, this is what shows up next. You can still tap on try another way. Now, if you look closely, we don't even know our recovery email. We don't know our phone number whatsoever. So what we're going to do is to try another way. Yeah, we don't also have our phone number. So I'm going to tap on I don't have my phone. Now this is what Google is going to tell you, couldn't sign you in. Now let's continue. We are getting close to recovering this account. So what you're going to do here is that you're not going to click on try again. Don't do this, all right? Because if you keep doing it, your account could be blocked. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings. So you would want to find Google. You see an option, Google services and all of that. Just tap on it, all right? So what you now do here is to tap this three dots over here, top right corner. All right, then you tap on help. So this page is going to show up. Don't forget the email account you want to recover. So what you want to do is you just type terms of service. So you could just see terms of service just showed up. Tap on terms of service. All right, then you see we have a list of options, right? So now you're going to click on your account is disabled here, this second option. Just tap on it. Now you have to scroll down. You want to find valid legal request. You can see valid legal requests, so you're going to tap on it. So you can see submit legal request here. Now you're going to tap on submit legal request here. So we're going to tap on this link. Now if you look closely, we don't want to use this application. You would want to uninstall this Samsung Internet. So let's uninstall Samsung Internet. we're going to find Samsung Internet and disable it from the app section, because we don't want to use it. So you can see Samsung Internet. So we're going to force stop and default browser app. So select here and click on web browser, the one we just downloaded, right? So we can go back. So you can see once I've disabled and chosen the browser that we've just downloaded as default, this is what we're going to see. How can we help you? So you can see we have several options here. So you're going to click on Google account. Then you have to click on how to recover your Google account or Gmail, this option, right? Just tap on it. We've just opened a new page again. So you have to scroll down, just close this. Then you would want to find can't sign in for another reason, get help signing in. You have to tap on this option. So you're going to select the fourth one, which says you think someone else is using your account. Just tap on it. Now you can see there's a new page that just opened up. Now when you scroll down, you're going to see this first option here, which says follow the steps to recover your Google account or Gmail. All right, just click on it. Now we have this account recovery section that have just showed up. All right, so now we're going to input the Gmail account we want to recover and click on next. Now if you look closely, this is what showed up, and then I'm just going to include my password. All right, it's asking me to just input the password I need, so I'm going to create a password from here to get back my account fully. Now you see my account is back. You can see Google account notification, the password. I just got a notification, yeah, was changed, so my account is back. Yeah, welcome back, account recovered. Share. So as you can see here, I just got a message, your account was recovered successfully. Okay, and the last time I got a message was 2024. You can see 2024 and 2024, all of that, 2023. So guys, thanks for watching.